Okay, just a basic blues bass, showing you the C. We're going to do it in the C major. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and in any scale, well, we give notes not only letters but numbers as they relate to their place in the scale. So D becomes 2, E becomes 3, F becomes 4, G becomes 5, A becomes 6, B here is 7, and C is 1. Same in any scale. The blues scale consists of the blues bass consists of 3/7 chords. First one is C7, C, E, G, and B flat. The second is F major of the F7, which is F, A, C, E flat, F, A, C, E flat. And the third one is G7, which is G, B, D, and F natural. So I'm just going to play your basic 12-bar blues bass. And it starts with C, goes to F, back to C, then to G7, F7, C7. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.